being engulfed in the bean dust right now. For real. You can barely see it on the camera, but I can't see anything. That header's so big, they're gonna get this done in like 3 minutes, for real. That's a big combine. I'm gonna get one of those someday. I may be 14, but maybe 10 years. Give me 10 years and I'll have one. Or something like it at least. That's big. Y'all should subscribe to my channel. I'd appreciate it. And I can't see again. Oh yeah, it's pretty windy. That's a big John Deere. I have a toy version of that thing. That's big. My grandma's field, they just farm it, but I can make some money just, they're missing so many beans. Look, I can make money buying a combine and just picking up what they missed. Goodness, that's a big combine. I'm just saying. Oh, he's unloading. An S780 John Deere with duals. It's probably 45-foot header. I don't know, it's pretty big. I'd say 45 foot is a safe bet. Oh, my camera's probably dirty. I got bean dust on my phone. Anyways, I'm gonna end the video. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, okay? Because I make some good videos, I think. So, subscribe.